Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I will show you how you can adjust all the settings and options to your needs from the web browser for this Cudy 5G SIM router. I have made a video, you can check right in the corner after the end of this video testing this router. It is an amazing router with many options and settings. P2 is the model. Here you can add another mesh router. Searching, clients, total 38, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 30 clients and 5 GHz Wi-Fi 7 clients and 1 wired. Devices, and here you can see all the devices, total 38, the name, connected Wi-Fi, IP MAC address, real-time rate, signal, duration, internet, I can disable or enable again. We can see again the MAC address, IP, online time, device name, rate limit, and you can adjust the download and the upload. Cellular, some informations, wireless, quick setup, and here you can start all over again the setup. I have done that from the app. Enable add shield, disable enable, child, if that is necessary, mesh, and here we can see the status, operation, management, disable enable the mesh, device name, you can rename, firmware. You can browse and select the firmware or do that online from the app, reboot, reset, LED control, you can switch on or off the LEDs in front of the router, connected devices, and again here you can see all the devices. Device again here, status, for the network, some informations, statistics, clear history, settings, cellular, you can enable disable, and the data roaming, the MBN, network mode you can choose, network search, auto or manual, IPv4, band select, APN profile, auto or manual, MTU, status connected, SMS, you can enable the SMS, data settings, monthly data settings, start date, correct, data limit, SMS alert for usage, you can adjust all this. Antenna, you can choose internal or external antenna and apply, AT command, modem reset, SMS, new message, you can send, add the phone number and content, outbox, you can check, LAN, some informations, settings, IP router subnet, enable, wireless 2.4, status, settings, you can enable the smart connect, disable, that's how you will have only one wireless network, 2.4, disable enable, you can rename the SSID, change the password, encryption, you can choose different, advanced, the mode, channel width, channel, max stations, hidden network, separate clients, same and for the 5G, advanced, channel width, channel, transmit power, high, medium or low, max station, hidden network, separate clients, wireless 5G, same settings, DHCP server, status, DHCP lists, and you can check for all the devices, settings, disable, enable, adjust all the settings. I'm just showing you what is the options to adjust all the settings. Firmware, some informations, statistics, ARP, active IP routes, system log, and back again we have again the quick setup, general settings. We have seen that for the cellular, WISP, you can enable, host network, disable, wireless, again same settings, guest network, and here you can enable the guest network, rename the SSID, encryption you can choose, advanced, hide network, bandwidth control, enable the 5G, rename, advanced, and you can save. VPN client, you can add, set up manually, zero tier, enable, IPsec, advanced, backup restore, generate backup, PPTP you can enable, client access, MPPE encryption disable enable, L2TP, OpenVPN, WireGuard, firmware, auto update disable enable, you can choose from to the hours, check for update, already up to date, firmware file path you can browse, parental control you can add, advanced settings, network, LAN 1 switch, LAN, DHCP server, IPv6, IGMP, QoS, custom DNS, TDNS, static routing, port forwards, port trigger, DMZ, online detection, TTL, wake on LAN, UPnP, firewall, MAC filter, IP filter, domain filter, IP MAC binding, WPS you can start, Wi-Fi schedule you can add, choose the days of the week, start, stop, adjust the hour and the minute, disable, Wi-Fi forced, enable, or you can delete. ALG, add shield, system time, backup restore, generate again, administration, HTTPS only, all devices, remote management, admin account, language, so many languages, timed reboot, enable, every day, choose the days of the week and the time, reboot, reset, LED control, TR069. So many settings. Diagnostic tools, you can start. There are low rate devices, okay, in the network, which may affect the overall network efficiency. And you can download ping, cellular WAN or LAN, traceroute, NS lookup, packet capture. One thing I appreciate about the Cudy interface is that it brings together essential features such as cellular settings, guest networks, DHCP management, VPN options, firmware updates and system monitoring, all in one well-organized dashboard. As you can see, you don't need a degree in network engineering to set up fiber-fast mobile speeds in your home. The Cudy dashboard makes it incredibly easy to monitor your 5G signal strength, customize your Wi-Fi names and protect your entire local network. It eliminates the confusion and gives you full control over your hardware, so you won't need to use buggy smartphone apps or be locked out of advanced features. If you found this setup guide helpful for getting your Cudy P2 up and running, please like, subscribe and turn on notification for more networking tutorials, router reviews and smart home technology content. Thanks for watching, stay connected and optimize your network. I'll see you in the next one.